Hi there, and welcome back to Honey Bear Ventures. This week, we travel from Oregon back to Idaho. We visit Chickahominy Reservoir, and Robert shows you how to change the oil in a Tiffin Allegro bus. This morning we left Morrison's Lodge and we are headed back to Idaho. The prices of diesel are just ridiculous. I believe it's over $6 a gallon right now. We do have open roads, fortunately, so we will get a discount, but I just thought I'd show you this thing just ticking away right now. It is crazy how expensive diesel is. We probably should have opted to maybe just have a room and not bring the motorhome with us, just take the Jeep. Live and learn. We figured out, oh yeah, maybe next time we will do that, unless we're going to be able to travel more in Oregon. Anyway, just wanted to share with you. You can just watch that thing ticking away. Yeah, he figured 100 gallons. He was pretty close.
When I'm carrying trash.
We are at Chickahominy Reservoir in Oregon. We're just here for the night. We're a little worse for wear, but I just thought I'd keep you posted, and we'll show you what this little BLM land is like. So Robert's being difficult over there.
I'm carrying trash.
That doesn't matter. They can't smell the trash.
So hard I'm carrying trash. I don't want to be filming while he's carrying it. And coming back there behind.
He doesn't want me to film while he's carrying trash.
Pay attention to me.
I was going to tell him how much it is to camp here.
Well, if you can do that one on the way back.
Well, I got to do it now because I'm thinking about it.
No. No, you don't need to do that right now.
Just so you know, there's quite a few sites here. There are loops for, it's dry camping, BLM. There is a small fee, so it's $16 a night. We're gonna double check. We do understand that with the America the Beautiful Pass, there is a 50% discount like there is at a lot of the federal campgrounds. So we're thinking it's probably gonna be $8 a night, but we'll only be here one night. But it's kind of nice. It's got a pretty reservoir and it's real nice. Real quiet. Yeah, it's great. Out in Oregon's high desert, 100 miles from Bend, sits a lake with a name that seems out of place: Chickahominy Reservoir. Chickahominy actually comes from a river in Virginia, carried here in 1878 by a U.S. cavalry officer, Reuben Bernard, who'd fought along that same named river during the Civil War and later found himself battling near this Oregon creek. The reservoir itself is a dam-formed lake on that creek, about 530 acres long and narrow, wide open to the wind and barely a tree in sight. Built originally for irrigation, it's now managed by Oregon Fish and Wildlife as a trout fishery, stocked yearly with rainbows that grow fast on the lake's minnows and insects. It's open year-round, freezing over by mid-December. So the name from Virginia Tidewater now belongs to a windswept desert trout lake, thanks to one soldier's memory. Good morning. We are at Chickahominy Reservoir in Oregon, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of information about this campground. It is a BLM campground. The price is $16 a night, but if you have your America the Beautiful Pass, it is half off. So we paid $8 last night. There are no hookups, you know, it's your basic boondocking situation. They do have restrooms, tables, and fire pits. So anyway, it's really pretty here. It's lots of sagebrush and not a lot of trees, but if you're looking for inexpensive camping and you happen to be in the Burns, Oregon area, it's a place to check out if you like to boondock.
Okay, today is a day of routine maintenance. I need to change the oil in our bus. We have a Tiffin Allegro bus. It is a 2014. It's been quite a few miles since I've gotten it, and I can't say it's over. I would say it's probably right around 4,000 or 5,000 miles, but I don't know. I don't think that they changed the oil filter when we bought it, which we bought it from Camping World. And I know everybody out there is Camping World. Oh no. Yeah, we actually had a pretty good experience with them in Alvarado, Texas. And we've kind of alluded to that in other videos. So today you can join me. I've never changed 6 gallons of oil out of a bus before. But you can join me today and I'll show you what I'm going to do. We'll see if there's any pitfalls or if it's all fairly smooth sailing. I'll show you the filter and what I have to change the filter out, because that's what I want to do first before we do anything else. So come and join me. I will show you how to do it, and we'll go from there. Okay, there you see the filter. It's pretty deep in there. I call it a big honkin' filter. So it's going to be an interesting removal. I want to do that first to make sure everything is okay. Then I'll go ahead and do the drain. I'll drain the oil. So this is what I have for a setup. I have a breaker bar here. And then I got this this filter wrench, and will fit around those big filters. So it was cheap. I bought it on Amazon, and so I'm hoping that I can get it loose. You know how people like to tighten up their filters. If it's a homeowner, it's not usually super tight, but sometimes these things are just really, really tight. So we'll see how we do. I have this 17-gallon tub, and I figured I could dump it in here and then dump it back into the container, because I can dip it on out of here and put it back into the container, and then I can go ahead and put it for recycling. So let's see if we can loosen up this filter first. Oh, I forgot gloves. Let me go get gloves. Well, here we go. Oh, good. Don't think it was a homeowner that did this, but it wasn't bad at all. That is good. probably make a little bit of a mess, probably drip down my arm, because I did warm up the engine. And that's the filter. I wish they would have put the miles or the date when they changed this. And I got a fleet guard. Probably should have gotten a Baldwin. They have a little better filtration. They have a 2-stage filtration system for high flow. Here's the fleet guard that I'm putting on there. I've got to go put on the I've got to go put the miles on here, so I want to get the miles and I'll put the date on here with a Sharpie. So I'll be right back. Back to it. Make sure that there's no you want to make sure that the gasket didn't get pressed into that one, but it, as light as it was up there, I didn't have to turn it hard at all. Some of these are real buggers when they have people that over tighten them. So I think I'm going to hit it with a little brake clean. Gotta clean it up just a little bit. There's no kind of clean it up just a little bit, let it dry. And I got barely any oil on there, look at that. So, because I didn't have to struggle with the filter, that was nice. Okay. Yeah, it's nice when you don't have to struggle with the filter, I'm telling you. So what I did is I filled up this filter. I filled it up. I put the date and the mileage on the bottom, and then I went ahead and I put oil around the gasket on the top. And I'm not going to get crazy with tightening this down. All you need to do is snug it down real good and do about a quarter turn or so to tighten it down. Okay, that's about a good quarter turn. It's snug. And I would say that's good. Okay. I went ahead, and if you look at it, I'll show you the date. You see there's the date and the mileage and the filter. LF9009. That goes on the L9 engines. Diesel engines. So now we're going to go ahead and take out the plug. That wasn't bad at all. Another glove. Doesn't burn any oil, which is kind of nice. I know this thing doesn't burn any oil. Okay, I'm gonna do the cap. Over the plug, I should say. Clean it. And we'll just let that drain out. It's a third full. Okay.